Hi, good morning everyone, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? We keeping well? Good. Look at this as a backdrop. How stunning is it? Cup of coffee, views like this, and yes, I'm only 15 minutes from the M5. I know, I'm not pulling your chain. 15 minutes from the M5 and you could be here relaxing, enjoying this. So where am I today? Well, I guess you already know, you real dealers out there. I'm at Brean Country Club. I'm on our luxurious lodge development. Did you know that's a 12-month holiday season on here, so you can come and use it throughout the year, no problems at all. So what are we doing today? We're going to look through one of our stunning ABI lodges. It's the ABI Harrogate 2-bedroom, and I really am looking forward to showing you through. So from second now, I'm just going to sit here I'm just finished my coffee. You enjoy this as a backdrop. Let's go and have a look. So first of all, we're hit with 2 sets of patio doors, either side. Ideal, in it, and that lovely running window through the middle. But as we go in, straight into the dining area. Lovely, spacious, open plan lounge, kitchen, diner. I mean, look at this. Feature radiators, lovely flame effect fire, good space for your tellies. 2 great sized couches that are really comfortable. As I say, your dining, chairs for your breakfast bar, and then look at that as a kitchen. That's a chef's dream. Double oven, microwave, integrated fridge freezer, 5 gas ring burner, dishwasher, loads of storage, and the light flooded in through the Velux window. I mean, what more do you want from your living area? Oh yeah, look, you've got views like that as well. Tick, Rog, tick, tick, tick. Yeah, I know. So, as we carry on through, there's your main door with your lovely hallway entrance, somewhere to hang your coats, shoes, bench, sit down. Again, storage, radiators throughout. Utility room, ideal. Washer dryer, great space. Ideal if, you know, you got the pets or anything else like that, but it's great amount of storage space. And then into the main master bed, bathroom. Full-size bath, shower above, WC sink. Great length mirror, loads of storage again. What a lovely, lovely main bathroom. Carrying on through to the twin room. Hi everyone. Good size single straight away, as you can see. Lovely features, loads of light that comes flooding in through that large window. Good amounts of storage. And again, look, wardrobes, desk, drawers, cupboards above. I mean, they really have thought of everything, but it's such a luxury finish. It really does feel superb. ABI have done a stunning job in this lodge. And then we go through into the master bedroom. I mean, look, sunny day like this, look at the light flooding. I mean, it's gorgeous. King size bed, great bedside cabinets both sides. All the sockets will have USB ports in them as well. And then look at that, storage galore. 3 good sized wardrobe doors, drawers underneath the wardrobe, and then your dressing table. I mean, good length, and cupboards above. Now guys, we all know we'll probably end up with that cupboard and everything else goes to the women. We know this, but hey, we get used to it and that's fine. And then the master ensuite, lovely full-size shower again, WC, great size basin, storage galore again. Do you know what? It really is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lodge. And it's even got a feature radiator in the master bedroom. What more could you possibly want? And then we go all the way back through again, because I want you to just take in that view one more time. I mean, does it really get any better than this? But look at all the light flooding through all the doors, the windows. Dual aspects. It really is a stunning ABI lodge. So I've come back outside because I want to just soak in this lovely day we've got behind us here with that beautiful backdrop behind me. So hopefully you've enjoyed my showing of this stunning ABI Harrogate lodge. From the moment you walk in with the 2 patio doors, all the light that floods in from the windows, and that lovely open plan living, kitchen, dining area that really is an entertainer's dream. All the white goods that you could possibly desire. Utility room, which is ideal, which ticks a lot of boxes from people's requests. The master bathroom with a lovely sized bath and all the storage. The twin room, full-size beds. You don't see that very often, but the craftsmanship and the design throughout, which makes it a very usable space with the light that comes in, and then straight into that master bedroom, which really is fantastic. Light flooding through that the windows, all the storage you could possibly need, and the stunning master ensuite, full-size shower. And again, it really does tick so many boxes. And don't forget, people, I'm only 15 minutes from the M5. 15 minutes from the M5 is all I am. Do you know what? And this has got a 12-month holiday season here at Brean Country Club. So you can come and use this, your lodge, whenever you wish. The country club is open 12 months a year, along with the pool. And if you fancy a round of golf, you're more than welcome to, because it's here. So what am I asking for you guys to do? It's simple. You've got to pick up the phone and find out, because we've got some fantastic offers on some of our lodges at the minute. And all you've got to do is pick up the phone and go, say, Rog, help me. Real deal. Find me one. And that's what I do. 07493 098 497. Simple as that. Pick up the phone, say help me, drop me a text, help me, I want to find a lodge, help me, I want to find a holiday home. Rog, we love where you are and I want to find out about holiday home ownership. That's what I'm here to do. If you don't want a phone and you don't want to text, you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. It really is that simple. Or follow me on YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy. That's me, because I have a stunning array of videos that shows you different holiday homes, different activities, everything you could do to want to know about holiday home ownership. But for now, I'm going to say hopefully enjoy the rest of your day. I am, because I've got views like this behind me and I'm going to enjoy it. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal, of course it's a real deal. And I'll see you